Spaghetti alle vongole is one of the most popular dishes in Italy. When you go to a restaurant, it's almost impossible not to order it. This fantastic plate is light, fresh, and full of flour. For us, it's the true taste of summer. To prepare spaghetti alle vongole, you'll need fresh clams, extra virgin olive oil, of course, spaghetti, good white wine, garlic, salt, black pepper, chili flakes, and fresh parsley. Let's start cooking. Beat the clams in the sink. The healthy ones will remain closed. Those containing sand will open. Rinse the clams well and place them in a colander. Fill a bowl with water and a handful of coarse salt and leave the clams soak for 1 hour. Cook the clams. Heat olive oil to taste in a pan. Add garlic cloves and parsley stalks. Add the clams and cover with the lid. Shake the pan well to open all the clams. Add a little white wine. Transfer the clams to a bowl. I prefer to remove the clams from the shells and leave some for the finishing touch. Cook spaghetti in salted boiling water. When the spaghetti is half cooked, drain them in the clam pot. When the spaghetti is cooked, add the clams. Finely chop the parsley and add to spaghetti. Chili to taste. Sauté to mix. Salty sea breeze, garlic, parsley, perfection. If you love authentic Italian flavors, don't forget to subscribe and join us for more recipes straight from our kitchen to yours. Simple, elegant, and so Italian. Today we're making spaghetti, cacio e pepe, the classic Roman pasta with just 3 ingredients. It's proof that the simplest dishes are often the most delicious. To prepare spaghetti, cacio e pepe, you'll need, of course, spaghetti, pecorino Romano, whole black pepper, and salt. Start with good quality spaghetti. Cook it in well-salted boiling water, but keep it al dente because the real magic happens in the pan. Next, grate plenty of pecorino Romano cheese. Its sharp, salty flavor is the heart of this recipe. Toast freshly ground black pepper in a dry pan. This wakes up its aroma and gives that spicy bite that defines Cacio e Pepe. Add a ladle of starchy pasta water to the pepper. This creates the base for our sauce. Add cooking water to taste to the pecorino cheese and mix with a whisk. Stir until you get a thick cream without lumps. Drain the spaghetti al dente in the pan. Toss in the pasta, then slowly add the pecorino. The cheese and pasta water emulsify into a creamy sauce. No cream, no butter, just pure Roman tradition. And here it is, silky, cheesy, peppery spaghetti cacio e pepe. 3 ingredients, one unforgettable taste of Rome. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe for more Italian flavors from our kitchen. And if you love pasta, check out my video on another Roman favorite, spaghetti alle vongole. Today, we're cooking one of the most beloved Italian classics, spaghetti al pomodoro. A simple, fresh, and flavorful dish that captures the true essence of Italian cuisine. For this recipe, we'll need just a few simple, fresh ingredients. Spaghetti, the heart of this recipe. Fresh tomatoes, full of sweetness and flavor. Cherry tomatoes, for that extra touch of freshness and color. Extra virgin olive oil. Then our classic sofritto, carrots, onion, and celery, the foundation of flavor in so many Italian sauces. And finally, just a pinch of salt to bring everything together. Take one celery stalk and slice it very finely. Its fresh, delicate flavor will give a lovely aroma to the sauce. Then carrot. Peel it and chop it into small, even pieces. Next, I finally chop onion. This will melt into the sauce and give it that comforting flavor. And finally, I cut fresh tomatoes, juicy and full of flavor. In a large pan, heat some extra virgin olive oil and add the celery, carrots, and onion. Let them saute gently for a few minutes until soft and aromatic. Then add the chopped fresh tomatoes and cook everything together until the vegetables are tender. When the base is ready, transfer everything to a blender and blend until smooth. Now pour the sauce through a fine strainer back into the same pan. This keeps only the creamy part of the sauce. Cut the cherry tomatoes in half or quarters. And add to the pan. Season with a little salt and let the sauce simmer gently for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, cook the spaghetti in salted water. Add the spaghetti into the pan with the tomato sauce and toss gently. Turn off the heat and add some grated Parmesan cheese. Mix well until the pasta is perfectly creamy. And there you have it, your spaghetti al pomodoro. Simple, smooth and full of the Italian taste. Buon appetito and see you next time here in Together in Our Italian Kitchen.